that chap there.
So the first thing to notice is the fact I now finally, after all this time, actually have made my own skin. The face hasn't got any texture on the skin, which looks a bit weird. It looks like my face is made of plastic, so might change that, but at least it's an actual custom skin and not a random one of the Reverse Flash which someone else made. Oh, this guy's in my house. The commemorative armor stand, which rather strangely is now pointing outside. I guess actually that probably looks alright from the outside. Is just looking out the window at you like, hello. Anyway, I'm gonna finally give these guys a feed. Finally let them go. Okay, there's a slab missing then. Why is there a slab missing? Alright. Is that drowned directly under my house? Oh boy, he's wearing some serious armor. Okay, that's... I'm not going to be able to actually put a slab there because it's too laggy for me to not spam. So... Right, time for a harvest then. So I'm just going to feed them all and see if that gets us anywhere. Oh, yep, there they go. We are going to get so much food. Now we just need a roof for this layer of our house. So let's just get as much birch as we possibly can. Good morning to you too. Right, so I'm going to go in the nether and get some quartz so that we can make ourselves a chicken farm. Some glowstone there. We should be okay. Let's just be careful about this. That's not as many items as I'd hoped for from this farm. 5 steak, 4 mutton. A lot of those items must have ended up in the lava. Maybe the trapdoors need to be 1 lower. Or just blocks, so that when they grow up they're just over a block tall. And I think the height of the trapdoors probably means the items are more likely to end up in the lava. At least I'm hoping that's why we didn't get a huge output. That said, it is food and it is leather, more importantly. I've seen a load of skeletons so far, nothing else. I want some spiders, because I don't even think I've got enough string to make it. Here we go. Hello, sir. Two string, nice. I have exactly 12 torches in my house, meaning I can replace them all with glowstone. That's going to be good. Wait, skeletons drop bows, I just remembered. That's a useful feature. This is so difficult with lag. Oh, I already own a bow. Well, that's good. I can get this ready and then I can make a dispenser. Just gonna hop over to creative and see if I can remember how to make a chicken farm. I've made them a few times, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Yep, I've just been testing out slime chunks on my creative world. No need to worry about that. So I've just come up with this design. Oh, don't want redstone in there. The only downside is if it gets any items other than eggs. I didn't know dispensers sent them that high, so... Right, that's something to be concerned about. I'm also hoping this doesn't, if we get loads and loads of chickens, let's just I'll just test it with chicken spawn eggs. Yeah, they spread out, so it's this big so we don't get entity cramming. Oh, that is a problem. If we use fences, it looks like they can... This is, of course, just a way of getting exponentially more chickens. Once we've got enough in here, then all we have to do is change the direction of the dispenser into a lava area, and we've got endless food and arrows, and feathers, I mean. We only have 14 redstone dust. Oh, that's worrying. Two redstone dust short. Would you believe it? Go in, 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 go in. Ah. Back here. Get back here. There we go. Should have just whacked him in the first place. And with that, I think it's time to say goodbye.